The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bottineau County in north-central North Dakota, northwestern Rolette County in north-central North Dakota, until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:33 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Dunseith, or 12 miles east of Bottineau, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Dunseith, International Peace Garden, Overlay, Pullman State Forest, Butte St. Paul State Recreation Area, and Turtle Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.